there guys, and welcome back to my channel. First of all, I'd like to wish you all a very happy new year, and thank you so much to all of you for all the support you guys have given me. So in today's video, I'm going to be drawing my favorite character, Smurfette, from the movie Smurfs. So without any further ado, let's get right into this video. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Once again, I wish you all a very happy new year. Also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Bye guys, see you guys in my next video.